Let's start the new article, Gravitational Potential Energy. We will start this topic by writing its definition. So, it is the negative of the work done by the gravitational force in bringing a given body which is having mass m, and we have to bring this particular body in a gravitational field of the earth from infinite distance at the given point. So it is basically the negative amount of the work done, and this is called gravitational potential energy, which is denoted by capital U. And this is the gravitational energy of that particular body. And at that particular point. And the gravitational potential energy of that particular system, if you are considered, then it is basically the gravitational potential energy of the earth plus gravitational potential energy of that particular body. And now if we consider this particular definition for a body of mass m, and this particular body is at a distance r from the earth center, and the distance is greater than or equal to radius of the earth. So r greater than or equal to re, and this potential energies now can be defined as phi into m, but we know the value of phi, that is gme into m over re. Or here basically first of all I am writing this particular distance small r. So this is my equation number 1, and here the negative sign is according to the definition. Now suppose if this particular body is at exactly the radius of the earth, that means r is equal to re. So for r is equal to re, this gravitational potential energy U can be determined as minus GME small m upon RE. That is the equation number 2. And from this equation, we can also say that the gravitational potential is nothing but the gravitational potential energy per unit mass. Because if you substitute m is equal to 1, then this particular equation will be phi e. That means minus gme over re. And so at infinite distance, that means at r is equal to infinite, from the center of the earth, the gravitational force on the earth or of the earth to that particular body will be zero. And according to the definition of gravitational potential energy, that will be also zero. So here the gravitational force of the body to the earth is zero, and this gravitational potential energy is also zero. But the absolute value of potential energy has no importance. But whenever there is change in the value of gravitational potential energy, it has a lot of importance. And that's why in the chapter number 5, that was work, energy and power, in the previous semester, we have also seen that at R is equal to RE, we have taken the value of potential energy as 0, as well as at distance or infinite distance from the earth, we have also taken at that time the gravitational potential energy as 0. So this is the absolute value, but the change which is applicable in gravitational potential energy, that is very important to study. And here the gravitational potential energy U is of the system consisting of earth and body, but in the process the position of earth or its velocity is not changing. That means position and velocities are not changing. And due to this particular reason, we have mentioned in the above case that potential energy of the body, not of the system, because this particular, the position and velocity of the earth are fixed. That means they will not be variable, and hence we are only consider the potential energy of the body. So for that, one sentence can be written. Now we can consider gravitational potential energy of the body instead of gravitational potential energy of the system. And hence, due to this particular reason, I have used the word gravitational potential energy of the system. But in some more application regarding this particular theory, we will consider gravitational potential energy of the system, which is consisting of Earth and satellite. We will only consider gravitational potential energy of the satellite only. And with this, our gravitational potential energy article is over. And now we are going to solve one important illustration related to the above discussed theories.